Hello and welcome to the new video of PDF automation using Python. We have already done the first step like creating the PDF from Excel data using same template, and then the file name also should be with variable data. If you have not seen that video, I am mentioning the link in description, so you can go ahead and check the video. If you are new to Python, then for Python installation and Python code editor installation, there are links in a description. Please go ahead and check. Now today's agenda is that we wanted to create a PDF merger. Point number two, if you can see on my screen. So today we will learn how to create Python PDF merger. So let's start. I will show you same PDFs which I have generated from Excel data in my previous video. So I'll just show you the data first. This is the data, and here are the PDF which are generated out of this data. Now in today's video we will merge all of these files into a single file. So for that, let's start. I will open my ID. This is my previous video for creating new PDFs from CSV data and Excel data. Now let's add a new file to the same project. Name it as PDF merger. We will be using pypdf2 library, so we have to get that library first. So I will go to my Python folder where I have installed Python, and in scripts I will select this Control A, CMD, enter, pip install pypdf2. It is installed successfully. Now let's go. So the first step is that I have to see that if I am able to go through each file inside the folder or not. So here I have taken entire path of the folder where I have kept my file. Then I am using a OS library, and then I will first print all the file names to ensure that yes, we have the accessibility to all the files. So if you are using any folder inside the project, then you can just give the path of that folder, like. So you see I have all file names over here, but for illustration I would like to go with the complete path. So here is my folder path. Now let's try once again. You see we have all the file names. I'll run this once again for your reference. Yeah, so we have the accessibility to all files now. Now next point is that we have to import a PDF merger librarian module, and then we will be creating one instance of PDF merger, and then we will append all the PDF from start to end one by one. So if you can see the code below to this line, and then these two lines, that I have imported the PDF file merger from pypdf2 which we had just installed, and then we are creating a merger. And then here, after, once we have the access to files, we are appending the merger with each file. In the end, we are writing the result and then we are closing the merger. So let's run this code. Okay, now let's see PDF automation. So here you can see the file name. This is the result. All the files one by one, if you will see, are merged. Okay. So this is just 12 lines of code. You can merge the PDF. Now let's go to the next step, that there are multiple folders. So how will you go into each folder and then you will merge all those PDF which are kept inside folders. So I have already done this. I will just remove this PDF file. Okay. And here I have created two different folders. Both the folders are blank as of now, so I have to put a few PDFs. So I will take PDFs from here itself. I will take these first five and I will go to PDF folder one, and then I will take another five. I will go to folder two. Okay. So now first step is that we should be able to access these folders. Okay. So for that, so you just note down this code before I am going for the next illustration. Okay. So what I have to do is I have to change the path, folder path, because I am using another path. So here it is. Now I have to use PDF folders because my different folders are inside this folder. Okay. So this is how you go to the subdirectories inside a folder using OS. Now let's see if we are able to access folders or not. Yes, so we are able to get folder 1, folder 2, where our files are kept. Now next is that we have to run the loop inside these folders. So we have to go inside each folder and then we have to go for each file and then merge the file, which we have already done few minutes back. Now let's see if we are able to access each file inside each folder. Okay, I will just remove this line from here. Folder name we require just for illustration. Let's run the code. So you have the folder name and you have all the PDF inside this folder. You have all the PDF inside folder 2 also. So now we have the accessibility. Next is that we have to merge file and we have to save inside same folder. So what I am doing is that this is the list of files which we have just printed, and I am going to each file item and then I am merging, and then I am going to next folder inside the loop. So this PDF merger which was there in the top, we have to keep it here now. Reason is that we have to create a new merger. We have to release all the files which were already there inside the merger before we enter to new folder. So when we are changing the folder, then that time we have to start new instance of PDF merger so that we are getting a separate file for each folder. Okay, so you can see the code here. After getting inside the folder and when we have the accessibility to file, I am starting the merger again and then I am looping through list of all files and then merging, and I am leaving the merge file inside the folder itself. So you can see loop, this is the third loop, and this is, if you see, this is the loop 2 and this is loop 1. So right, let's run this code and see the result. Okay, let's check our folders now. So here is one file starting with customer A, ending with customer E. So let's check if all are there. Customer A will go in the end of the PDF. Customer E. Okay. Now let's go to the second folder. Customer AA, customer EE. Customer AA and customer EE. So this is how you can generate, you can merge PDFs. For generating the PDF, I have already done the video. You can go a description and then you can click on the link and then you can watch that video. Okay, now most important thing, that do not forget to close the merger. Once you are done with your job, so in the end of everything, we will close the merger. I'll just show the code once again from top. You can remove these extra lines to we have printed just for the understanding. And then you can see entire code in 16 lines, and this is the PDF merger ready for you. Thank you for giving your time. Like the video, comment on the video, and share the video to your friends, and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos on Python automation and Python programming. Thank you very much.